Hey guys, so I did a video yesterday, which was January 1st, 2018. Yeah. And today's the 2nd. So 2018, January. And I was just talking about how important it is to define and design your own beauty. Don't let people tell you how to be or exist. But with that said, you guys were like, where's the wheels? I was like, oh. You guys want to see the wheels? Alright. So let's do this. As you guys know, I used to be a pro skateboarder. Bink. And I busted my knee. I've had 10 surgeries on my left knee. And I cannot run, jump, lunge, or squat. And I pretty much broke everything. My medial meniscus, gone. Patella tendon, snapped. ACL, MCL, snap, total tear. It's about 86% of the cartilage gone. Have bone-on-bone contact. Feels like somebody's putting a fire on my knee all the time, but I don't show the lower half. So let's do this. Alright. Okay, let's make sure that I get this going here. Now, this is a woman at the age of 50 who's been doing keto, strict keto, for 10 years and eating nothing but cruciferous vegetables and over 200 grams of fat with no cheating once, no alcohol, no caffeine, no nothing except pure keto. So you guys want to see what the wheels look like? Let's do this. Roll! Alright, here we go. So here are the glutes. Alright. Here are my quads. Can't see them very well. I've worked really hard. And as you can hear, I have crepitus and cracking on my good knee. Yes. This is the bad knee. Obviously, my legs are a little bit smaller. Okay. This is what 10 surgeries look like, people. Right? That's 10 surgeries right up in there. Yes. And I'm 50, not 30 or 20. So let's see what the wheels look like from a distance. Yes. Boop. All right. Bing, 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 bing. Yes. And I'm wearing a t-shirt so you can focus on the legs. Yes, the legs. That crepitus, ooh, it's really loud. It's a business. For those who are just finding me the first time. Alright. I'm definitely not a trick show pony. So I'm pretty presumptuous to assume that there's no need to ask again what Steph wheels, what our wheels look like, because there they are. Full body. I'm going to be speaking at the Paleo FX in, blah, blah, I think it's at the end of April. Yeah! So stoked! I also was interviewed for the Paleo Keto Summit, so be looking out for those interviews. It's going to be epic. And as you guys know, I'm writing the Ultimate Keto book because I want you guys to do this in a safe manner. There's too much misinformation. Formation? Did I formation? Formation. On keto. Too much misinformation. I've been doing this nearly for 10 years and coaching over 3,000 people. That's where I get my data from. And I'm out. So I hope that upper body matches the lower body. You can reach me at stephanieperson.com. Stephanie the Business Person, my Facebook fan page. Stephanie Ketogenic on my Instagram-y. Yeah, be looking out for the book. I'm still writing it. And I'm out. Yeah! Because I got some energy. At the age of 50. Yes, 50!